This is the most insane supercar, hypercar show I've ever been to. Like, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Scuba and today I've got a very special video planned for you. So today is the last day of Supercar Week South Florida, or Palm Beach, and well, it's only right that we go, being that we live so close. But before we do anything else, we got to get a cold start up from the S2000. Let's go. That never gets old. So the actual show starts in half an hour. We're about an hour away, which means we're already 30 minutes late. So we got to get a move on. Let's go. As you can see, it's overcast and rainy. Not ideal supercar weather today, but I mean, what can we do? Just gotta go check it out, vibe, and have a good time. Let's see what's out there, I guess. Alright guys, so finally we made it. We're leaving the S2000 here for a little while. We'll be back soon. Alright guys, so I've only just walked out of the garage and already I've seen some really nice cars, so I can't even imagine what's actually in the show. I can't wait to get there and show you guys what's there. So let's go. We're about 5 minutes away, but I'm excited. I'm super excited. Wow, how cool is this thing? And it's right-hand drive. For all the JDM guys out here, there's a Nissan Figaro right behind me. So the owner of that Nissan was like super cool and gave me like access to his car and everything, talked to me about his car, and even gave me like a hookup to like a Bahamas trip, like a car Bahamas trip, like crazy. Like that's one thing that I love about Supercar Week, is that as soon as you get here you meet such cool people with really nice and like interesting cars. I love it. There's something about a Lotus, at least, that just has a special place in my heart. Look how sick this thing is. To be honest, I'm not even sure like what the cost of a 427 Cobra is right now, like a legit one, but I would imagine it's a lot more than building a rep. I feel like if you really liked Ford Cobras, this would be a really good option for like a cheaper one. So yeah, if anybody's interested, check them out. Backdraft Racing. I'm really feeling the spec on this Backdraft Racing 427 Cobra rep. Like it's almost like a Nardo gray. Guys, everywhere I look, there's like insane supercars. Like I'm looking everywhere. I can't even decide which way to go. I mean, there's so many cars out here. I'm not even sure that we'll be able to see them all, but I'm gonna try my best to make sure we see all of the really cool ones. Right now, I can't believe that I'm looking at a Pagani. Like, what? A Pagani. Like, what? I can't even believe that I'm looking at this car right now. Not only one Huayras, two Huayras in one place at one time, and in the middle, a Laferrari. Insane. Guys, this is sick. Like, really? Like, this is insane right now.
In your whole city for decades. Wow. Thanks to this dynamic event.
So I've heard about this car. I've heard about this car for a very long time, but I've never seen it in person. This Chiron is sick. Red exposed carbon all the way around. Wow, this thing is amazing. This thing is so crazy. I've seen pictures online, but I have to say, in person, this thing is even crazier. And of course, you've got to remove the bumpers.
Georgette, what do you think?
I'm so excited.
Wow, this thing is insane. Amazing. Amazing. Guys, truly I apologize if I'm all over the place. Like, there's so many supercars out here right now. It's hard to pick which one to look at. And I can't forget about the Carrera GT. Iconic car. Center lock wheels. I mean, this thing is ridiculous. Check out this 918 Spyder right behind me. So guys, just like we thought, there was like a bunch of people crowding around that rep Veyron, thinking it was a real one. But just like me, there are a bunch of people that were able to recognize that it was a rep. Like, I'm not knocking the car or anything. The amount of artwork that still has to go into cars like this, and design that has to go into like designing body panels, making sure they fit good, it's still an art form. So like, I never knock people who are doing something good for themselves. How sick is this car? This would look really cool parked next to the S2000 in the garage, huh? Well, first I need a bigger garage and about like, I don't know, like $500,000 maybe or more. One thing I've heard about the Huracan Evos over the regular Huracans is that they have really quicker shifts, and the power is just literally like that, almost instant. There's just something about this SVJ in particular that like attracts me to it. I don't know if it's because it's the color yellow or if it's just such a sick spec, but check this out. Check out the exposed blouse carbon fiber on the wing. Leading all the way up there with that. So when I came out here like 2 years ago to film Supercar Week and like take photos and stuff, there weren't really that many people like doing YouTube or videos or automotive content. So it's really cool just seeing the amount of people who are like doing automotive content now. Like, it really shows you how far we're going in like the automotive industry, as far as like getting close to these cars and really being able to see them. Like, even if you've never seen them in person, just being able to see them through a video is so sick. So my man here was kind enough to show me his Aventador Roadster, super sick car. He said this was a 17th birthday gift? Yeah. Wow, amazing. I mean, guys, could you imagine getting this as a 17th birthday gift? So sick. Super sick spec on this car.
This is the Rolls Royce, you paid $40K for the Austin seats in. Wow. Real Austin.
And you said this car was Floyd Mayweather's Rolls Royce, right?
Yeah, and 50 Cent.
And 50 Cent's Rolls Royce. Yeah. Wow, what an amazing story.
And we got this not too long ago, Escalade supercharged.
And if people want to see more of these cars, where can they find you?
Car shows, we had all of them.
So what's your favorite part about the Aventador?
Me, I like the start button.
I could imagine. This thing is definitely like a rocket ship. I mean, you get any close to a rocket ship than this, it's gonna be a legit rocket ship. That's what's up, man. Yo, check these views out, guys. You got views for days. Can you really beat this? There's nothing like Palm Beach. Supercars, good weather. vibes. Just vibes. You know you're in love with cars when you see cars and they put a smile on your face. So guys, I've been wanting to see this car forever. I've never seen one in person, but it's a factory 5 GTM Supercar. So this car here is actually a kit car. You can buy it, just the body and the chassis and everything, put it together. Usually people put LS motors in them, and they run with supercars. Such a sick car. I've always been interested in one, but being able to see one up close and personal, super sick. Super sick car. I've always wanted to see one of those. I'm so happy that I've seen one in person now. Guys, check out the Maserati Gran Turismo with the Lamborghini doors. Now I do understand some people might be triggered by the Lambo doors on the Maserati, but still, you gotta admit, it's such a sick spec. With the red interior, can't beat that. 720S, Aventador. Which one did you guys choose? Personally, I love the speed of the 720S, but I don't know, there's nothing like an Aventador. So guys, I think we've pretty much seen everything that the show has to offer at this point. I don't think it'd be a proper car show if we never got shaved ice, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So guys, I walked back over past this ACR Viper. I didn't realize before, but check out this vanity plate on this car. It literally says, "You are too slow. Ferraris for lunch." I mean, he's not lying. He's not lying. I am too slow to beat ACR Viper, and I think that one's modded. So yeah, guys, the show was amazing as always. We're about to hop in the S2000 and head to the next stop. See you there. So we've officially left the show. We're heading to our next stop. I really don't know where that's gonna be right now, but the show was sick. Supercar Week was like sick. Shout out to Supercar Week for putting on such a great show. There are so many cool people and so many cool cars out there. Like, I think the highlight for me were the Pagani Huayras, and the Laferrari. There's nothing like seeing hypercars just glistening in the Florida sun. Even though it wasn't that sunny today, it was still crazy seeing those cars, the exposed carbon fiber. It was just like amazing. How could I forget the Chiron, the red exposed Chiron? Just ridiculous cars. Let me know which car was your favorite in the comments below. I don't know if you guys were able to hear in that last pull, but the clutch is definitely slipping. I think it's safe to say it's time for a new clutch. New clutch coming soon. We had a great day at Supercar Week today. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button one time for your boy and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.